You're welcome to today's episode of Learning Bars. So, our word of the day is sun, 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 sun. S-U-N, sun. Now, repeat after me. Sun. The sun is round and bright. It shines in the day and keeps us warm. See you next time. Bye.